Typhoon. The department I'm working at the moment is for HA, which is Head Equipment Assembly. This is basically the helmet that the pilot wears in the Eurofighter. They're working on the displays that appear in front of the pilot's eyes, and it's used to improve the pilot's situational awareness so that he can look outside of his cockpit and he can see his displays in his helmet, and that gives him more awareness of what's around him, so he'll be able to tell if there's any aircraft nearby. One of the best things about this job is that you're not stuck behind the desk all the time. On displays and controls, I worked on the HUD, which is head-up display, and also the head-down display. You've got the fuel and you've got the hydraulic information that they need, as well as the missiles that it has on board, and it also shows what other aircraft are in the area as well. And we had to test to make sure these displays are working correctly. Here at Warton, not only do we design the helmets, but we also build the Typhoon. When you're working in an office, you don't usually get the chance to go and sit in the Eurofighter cockpit, and that's quite good when you can go home and say, oh, I've sat in the Eurofighter today, and it's quite interesting. You've got lots of options within this industry. You can be on the aircraft and work in the office. There's all different kinds of areas you can go into. There's not just one, there's design, there's all different kinds of areas. I went to the BAE Systems. It was the air show, and we got to see all the airplanes taking off and landing, and I thought, oh, I wouldn't mind doing something like that. It looked quite interesting. I don't like making something like that, so I thought, well, I'll try and get into this. So that's where it started from mainly. After my HNC, I plan on doing a HND, and that'll be within avionics, hopefully, because when I come out of my time as an apprentice, I'll be a systems engineer, so I want to enhance my knowledge of it, really. It's really good when you can drive home and you see the Eurofighter flying past. You think, well, I might have made something for that. I might have been on that. I might have sat in that cockpit. It's just exciting when you're at work as well and there's aircraft flying about. It's just the noises they make as well. It's like being on Top Gun or something like that.